how to send money abroad using Wise. In order to send money abroad using your Wise account, all you have to do is first launch the Wise application and log into your account. Right on the home page towards the top left, you can find an option called Send Money. Tap on the Send Money option over there. Now, when prompted, select the country where you'd like to send the money to. Once you've selected that, you can choose from which currency you are sending and how much currency the recipient is actually receiving in this case. So you could go ahead and select any of the other currency. Now you can select paying with a connected bank account, which you can change, estimated arrival in seconds, and included fees, how much fees it is associated with. Then tap on the add recipient button. If you haven't added a recipient yet, you can find a recipient from Wise if they also happen to have a Wise account by simply using their Wise tag, email or mobile number. For international transfers, you could use their bank details like entering the name and the IBAN or the SWIFT code, and whatever method is convenient for you, you could enter that and select your recipients, and once done, you will be able to send money abroad from Wise. That's all for this video. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.